I'm Terry Reagan with Tennessee Farmers Co-op, and you're watching a Co-op Minute. Today we're going to be talking about feed ingredients and why quality is so important to you. Ingredients such as corn, wheat, soy, and cotton products, just to name a few, are used in the safe and healthy manufacturing of feed at our mills in Jackson, Laverne, and Rockford, Tennessee. Rest assured, our ingredient providers go through an approval process verifying their compliance with the Food Safety Modernization Act. This act gives the FDA new authorities to regulate the way foods are grown, harvested, and processed. These regulations assures that our food supply is safe for your animals. Once ingredients arrive at our feed mills and before they are unloaded, they are visually inspected. Samples are taken and tested to verify that the product meets our criteria and industry standards. We look for foreign material, insects, spoiled product, and other factors depending on the ingredient. If any of this is found, the product is rejected and sent back to the supplier. In addition to sampling the ingredients, we also test the manufactured feed. It is inspected at the bagging lines and the bulk loadout to be sure it meets our quality specifications developed by our team of livestock and feed nutritionists. Tennessee Farmers Co-op feed mills are Safe Feed, Safe Food certified. This means we have passed rigorous audits prior to gaining that certification. This is a voluntary program that maximizes feed safety and goes above and beyond normal standards. You can be confident that we are committed to manufacturing a healthy and safe product for the development of your animals. Thanks again for joining us in this Co-op Minute. Be sure and check back next week for more tips.